Okay, how to use x and y intercepts to graph when you're in the general form, ax plus by plus c equals 0. You're going to find your x-intercept. You do this by letting y equal 0 and solve for x. Oops, I'm hit the thing again without my pen. Sorry. Alright, so let y equal 0 and solve for x. That's your x-intercept. Then you're going to find the y-intercept by letting x equal 0 and solve for y. And you're going to plot both of those. And then like before, you're going to use a straight edge to draw the line, put arrows on the both ends of it to show that it's continuing in both directions. So let's try this. So we're going to graph using intercepts 3x minus 2y minus 6 equals 0. Well, remember to find your x-intercept, you let y equal 0. So when we do this, we get 3x minus 2 times 0 minus 6 equals 0. Well, minus 2 times 0, that's cancels, so you get 3x minus 6 equals 0, and solve for x. So add the 6, move, let's see, then we got to move the 3 by dividing by it, and so we find that x equals 2. So there's my x-intercept. And we can go ahead and plot that on our graph. So x is 2. So go to your x-axis, and where x is 2, put a point. Then we're going to solve our y-intercept. So remember, the y-intercept is where we let x equal 0. So we have 3 times 0 minus 2y minus 6 equals 0. Well, 3 times 0 cancels. Don't forget that minus. That's now negative 2y minus 6 equals 0, and solve for y. So let's add that 6. So negative 2y equals 6, and then divide both sides by that negative 2. And so we get y equals negative 3. So there's my y-intercept. So let's plot that point. So go to your y-axis, go down to negative 3, and put a point. When you're using intercepts, you only need the x and the y-intercepts in order to graph it. So then let's take our straight edge and let's draw our line. Oops, not down there. So draw your line and put your arrow on both ends.